Hi everyone, and welcome to another video of the series How to Get a Professional Job in Australia. And this is an edited video of the live session number 30 that I held in Facebook, Instagram and YouTube every Sunday 9 p.m. Brisbane time. And today I will be talking about 4 hints to write a good resume that will improve your chances to be shortlisted to an interview. But first, if you don't know me yet, my name is Gerson Ida and I'm the founder of www.engineersinaustralia.com, a website to share content of value and useful information to help you in your journey to validate your engineering qualification in Australia. I also share information about workplace health and safety, environmental management, the day-to-day of engineering in Australia, and some job opportunities and recruitment hints. And if you stay with me until the end, I'll tell you how to download my free ebook that I wrote about the 10 challenges that most overseas engineers face when they arrive in Australia. And I also would like to invite you to participate in my next free online workshop, 11 Days of Engineering Qualification Validation. The details after the 4th hint. But before I start, I would like to know what's your main question when you are writing your resume. Send me your question in the comments and I will reply as soon as I can. So let's get down to the business now. And I'm really happy to be here to share my experience as a recruitment panel member and chair who have recruited lots of engineers and project managers. And I have noticed lots of issues during the CV analysis. And this video is to raise awareness of those issues so you don't make the same mistakes. So your journey started having to overcome the previous challenges in relation to the English language, the recognition of your qualification and visa, and it's time now to target the market. And usually recruitment stages generally include, but are not limited to curriculum analysis, analysis of the cover letter, telephone interview, which is often the recruiter's first contact, a psychometric test. In some positions, employers are requesting this test. In some cases, companies are requesting a video interview. When you use a mobile app, record your interview by answering some questions, and the video is analyzed by the panel or recruiter. Shortlist, when you were selected for interview with a panel of interviewers. The interview itself. Reference to generally 2 professional referees, and it's selected for final indication. A pre-admission medical examination is generally performed. And depending on the level of the position applied, an assessment of the candidate's character may also be carried out, usually by consulting the Federal Police Registry, both here in Australia and the country of origin. There are some important details when preparing the application for a job in engineering, and they are the curriculum vitae, the cover letter, and the professional interview. So what's the importance of a curriculum vitae? Well, in my case, in Brazil, we are often advised that CVs should not exceed 2 pages. Here in Australia, it's normal to have CVs of several pages, detailing the results achieved and personal attributes, the soft skills. And the Australian market is increasingly competitive, and the distribution of job offers spreads at a much faster rate. So having a strategically crafted CV can make the difference between being selected or not for the interview. And these hints are based on my 10 years of experience interviewing engineering professionals of varying levels and realizing mistakes and successes from candidates here in Australia. I also applied these hints in my own professional life and succeeded in my kangaroo work applications. So let's go down to some of the hints then. Hint number 1. Include the basic information in your CV. This is a common mistake many applicants make when the basic information that will determine whether or not you will be selected for the interview is not in your CV. And they are your personal data, your goals, your skills, the academic training or schooling, languages, professional experiences, main results obtained, your personal and professional profile, the courses that you did, extracurricular activities that you've done, and professional references. Hint number 2. Customize your curriculum. Another common mistake is for the applicant to use the same CV template and content for all vacancies applied. The CV must be personalized and customized for each vacancy to be contested. This does not mean that you must invent experiences, make up experiences and skills to align with the vacancy offered. This means that you must emphasize the specific experiences you have had and include in the body of your CV that addresses the skills or selection criteria required by the company. Hint number 3, evidence the achieved results. Companies are looking for professionals who will bring positive results to projects, services, and clients, and highlighting the results achieved is a critical part of the CV structure, especially in the engineering area, where several key performance indicators, KPIs, are monitored and expected to be achieved. In engineering vacancies, it's interesting to divide into results obtained in the specific area of the vacancy to be applied for, results obtained in other correlated areas such as management, business, strategy, and other related technical areas. Hint number 4, don't leave until the last minute to write up your CV. Your CV should be written with a lot of planning and research. Take time to research the company, the industry in which the job is inserted, talk to the recruiter about the job and clarify any questions. This time spent will serve as the basis for customizing your CV and will make recruitment panel members interested and impressed by the quality of the information contained in your CV. And remember, they will be reviewing dozens of resumes and selecting those which have an extra thing. And with social networks, research the projects the companies are running and the services they are offering, and including your CV, your experiences that can add value to those projects and our mission to the company. And now, to register to my next free workshop, 11 Days of Engineering Qualification Validation, to help you fulfill your dream to be recognized as an engineer in Australia, you just need to register using the link in the comments. And if you are not yet subscribed to my site, you will need to confirm your email address in the email that I will send to you to complete your registration. And I hope these tips have been helpful and assist you in your journey to a professional job here in Australia. And as promised, if you haven't downloaded my free book about the 10 challenges that most overseas engineers face when they arrive in Australia, you can request your free PDF by clicking on the link in the video description, either in Portuguese or in English. Thank you very much for your attention and time, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.